Have you discovered a problem with your foundation or crawl space? Our foundation repair and waterproofing professionals can help. We provide concrete solutions for your home and business and use only the most advanced foundation repair techniques. And let's just say our experience digs deep. Our licensed foremen and qualified installation technicians specialize in concrete slab, pier and beam, and basement foundation repairs. And we offer free foundation health evaluations. Just call us and set an appointment on your schedule. But whatever you do, don't wait. Restore confidence in your foundation by calling today.